Hi friends, Miss Darla here, and today we are going to be making a DIY lava lamp. For this experiment, you are going to need food coloring, a color of your choice, Alka-Seltzer tablets, some water, and a glass a little bit more than halfway full with oil. Today I will be using olive oil. First, you will pour the water into the olive oil until the glass is almost full. Then you will put your food coloring drops in. I recommend doing about 10 drops. Then you will need to wait for the drops all to sink to the bottom. Next, you will drop in your Alka-Seltzer tablet, and right away you will see that bubbles will begin to form. As time goes on, the food coloring bubbles will burst. As the food coloring bubbles continue to burst, it will make your experiment look like a lava lamp. Once the first tablet is done reacting, you can add a second tablet to continue the reaction. Can you make your own DIY lava lamp?